why were they casting magic or doing evil to separate husband and wife? Let me explain to you. So basically, the husband and wife are living in a house, right? It's called a household. Now, this house forms the basic governance unit of the society. Now, I'm using some complicated terms over here, right? So, basic governance unit of society. What does this mean? There's a household in which a family lives, right? So there's a husband, there's a wife, there possibly children or their parents, grandparents as well. This is a household. What is happening in this household? Probably, usually, husband is going to earn, or even wife can go to earn, and both of them. So the earning comes inside the household, and they are managing their finances. They are managing water, electricity, and all of these things. Plus, they are teaching their kids, and they're going out. They're dealing with other people, right? So this household in itself requires certain governance or things to manage. It requires things to manage. Just like a government is managing a country, if you think about the house, it is like a small country. In this small country, the prime minister and president can be your parents, like your mom and dad, and then you guys are, following them what to do, what not to do. Hopefully, you are. So this is like a small government inside the house, which is called the household. So they learned magic to separate or to put issue in this household. Now, if you look at this household, this is one household, right? But in a society is a collection of these households. So what is a society? Society means that where we live, so where many people live together. So there can be different houses or households who are living together in a society. So if you break or if you put a fire and a household gets destroyed or something happens, you cast a magic, and now there is some fighting happening between the husband and the wife, or the mother and the father, and all of this bad effect of this magic will be casted upon the entire household. No one will be happy. There will be bad things that are happening inside the house. So what does this mean? When they go after households or when they go after husband and wife, actually the entire society can get destroyed. So it's not just a matter of one household, which is why when we have guidance and when we are following the Holy Quran and we are trying to protect ourselves from evil things, and when a household gets fixed, because household is in our control, right? We always say, the government is not doing this, the government is not doing that, and they should manage it properly and all of that. But at least the household where we are all living in, even the kids, now you are almost teenagers, right? You guys, you have a role to play in the household to keep the household happy, and you should actively play that role. You should actively listen to your parents. If you have something in your mind, you should share it with them. If you learn something, you should also share it with them if there's a good thing or there's a bad thing. So all of us need to protect our household in order to protect what? The entire society, because the society is made up of households. Yes, I'm not saying that the government should not do their job. Definitely they need to do their jobs. But what is in our control is the place or the premises where we live in. So what they tried to do when they learned magic is they tried to separate bainal mar'i wa zawjihi, between, they tried to put separation between husband and wife, because that's the main unit that forms the household, and it is important for the happiness and everything for the house. And then the effects of it can be seen in the larger society, because households in collectively they form the entire society. I hope this point is clear.